Welcome, I am your tour guide. Keep up with me as we learn about myEcon, the personal financial success company. We empower individuals to increase their incomes through business ownership, minimizing taxes, eliminating debt, building investment income, and earning massive upfront, residual, and leveraged income through myEcon, Inc. You'll see Marilyn show her colleague how myEcon can help him reach personal financial success in his personal economy. No matter what happens in the world economy, it is all right. Let's listen in. Hi Jerry, you just got paid, so why the droopy face?
Sure, Marilyn. I just got paid, but Uncle Sam got paid almost as much as I did, and he did not do any of the work. That's just not fair. And with the new law, I am paying even more tax.
No Jerry, it is not fair, but Uncle Sam does provide a solution that employees do not take advantage of, but entrepreneurs do. It is called business ownership.
I only have a few hours in the evening and weekends to work a business. Coming up with an idea. The startup costs, finding an office, finding clients. Oh, I am getting a headache.
No need to get a headache. That is the beauty of starting a home-based business opportunity. Someone has done the work for you, and this business works best for employees like us.
Why is that, Marilyn?
I started myEcon business with less than $100. I updated my W-4 form at work and increased my allowances, which added over $300 a month to my paycheck. Not bad for a pay raise.
Marilyn, I could really use an extra $300 a month. But you probably use that in the monthly cost of running your business, don't you?
No way, it costs less than $55 a month to run my business, and we offer great bonuses and reward credit.
Okay, but by increasing your allowances, you will probably owe Uncle Sam at the end of the year. I pay him all year. I do not want to owe him more money at the end of the year.
Absolutely not. Unlike you, there are hundreds of tax deductions for business owners like me as long as I work my business 4 hours a week. I am entitled to business deductions. I deduct my home office, which is in my basement, 1/3 of my home utilities, my cell phone, my internet access, meals for entertaining in my home, and paying my children a wage instead of giving them an allowance for helping me in my business.
Wait, Marilyn, you pay your children a wage instead of an allowance.
Of course, Jerry, I can pay my children up to $12,500 each year for helping me do legitimate work in my business, such as clean my home office, check my emails, make videos, and post on social media sites.
How can you do that, Marilyn? Does Uncle Sam know about this?
Yes, Congress created these deductions to help people who have a part-time business go full-time if needed, like right now when people are struggling living paycheck to paycheck and the cost of living is continuously rising. You must learn to use better strategies to offset these costs.
Wow, Marilyn, I heard lots of people talk about home-based business opportunities, but never like this. They talk about selling products and services, but never about these benefits.
People don't usually make lots of money in a home-based business when they start, but as long as we are in business with the intent to generate revenue, we qualify for tax deductions even if we do not make a dime. myEcon is a personal financial success company with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and has over 15+ years as a debt-free company. So they also provide lots of ways for us to generate revenue.
That is enough, Marilyn. How do I get started right now? I am tired of contributing to the Uncle Sam Employee Fund. Oh wait, is this a real business?
Absolutely. We would not have relationships with companies like Southwest Airlines, Delta, and United Airways.
Our business has relationships with those companies. Wow, Marilyn, how can people sign up and get started right now?
Anyone interested in getting off the Uncle Sam Employee Fund can get back to the person who introduced them to this business. Put our cash flow manager and automated marketing system on your phone and start tracking your expenses and sharing the business with friends and family. The cash flow manager and automated marketing system come free with your business.
Thanks. Marilyn, I am heading to HR to update my W-4 form and get more of my hard-earned money back next week so I can start paying off debt, investing, and building wealth. The smarter Jerry got to go. Marilyn, I am on board and will tell everyone to get back to the person who invited them to look at the myEcon business right now, not later.